I told Brian I'd get him at 2:15. It's 2:18. I'm on time. We still have to get Kelsey and get gas. And I don't know if we have to get Kara. Probably gonna be late. It's fine. It'll be fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
We'll be fine.
It's fine.
Okay. So we've been waiting for Kara for about 8 or 9 minutes right now. We told her that we were gonna come get her. I don't really know what's wrong, but Brian really doesn't like being late.
Say hey, Kara.
Hey, Kara.
We're gonna make a quick stop and get some gas. That's it. We have time to get gas.
Yeah, we totally have time.
We have 10 minutes to get there. We can stop for gas, I think. Wait, is it rolling?
Yeah.
We're good?
Yeah.
Okay, it's 2:38. We have to be there at 2:45. We're pumping gas right now. All right, we're at 11 out of 15.
So. We got gas. It is now 2:39 a.m. It's
Oh,
Oh.
that was a good one, Brian.
Oh no.
Real side splitter.
Dang it, the mic fell off.
Here we are, Chang Thai restaurant. Really?
Yeah.
Is it push? Oh wow. It's closed on Wednesdays. Here we are. We're live in Chang Thai.
Perfect.
Okay, we're waiting for our food now.
We just got our food.
Hold it level with your face.
Alright. So we just got our food. It's pretty good.
We're just sitting here, eating our chicken pad thai in Chang Thai, and we're really enjoying it here. And this guy, he decided to show up. I think he wears this tank top in every single vlog, but
Facts.
oh, also, fun fact, that used to be my tank top. Okay, we finished eating, oh.
It's been over an hour, Chad. You can have a ticket by now.
Hey. Okay, we finished eating. I didn't get towed. Ryan, did we park in the same parking lot?
We must have.
Now that we're done eating, I'm gonna take Brian home, and then I'm gonna practice, and I'm gonna put that in the vlog. Because since today's vlog's so bad, every vlog that I put that's really bad, every really bad vlog that I have, I always put my saxophone in it because it makes the vlog like a lot better. Alright, it fills time. I like them to be from 6 to 11 minutes or so. Sometimes they're longer if the day was like extra fun, or if there was like a lot of action, or if it was extra boring and I did stuff that was not like. Ryan, good job today.
Yeah.
Fuck, I thought you were waiting.
Good job, Brian.
Yeah.
I'm taking you home. Okay, so if I were famous, you guys would have noticed by now that I actually have one of these in addition to a tenor and alto, and you would have asked, "Oh, Chad, why don't you play the soprano saxophone in some of your videos?" Well, I'm not as good at it as the other ones. It's a little bit harder to play, kinda in some ways. In other ways, much easier. Like the finger movement, so fast. But it's harder to play in tune. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna play yet. I'll figure it out, and I'll probably cut to that, so. Alright, I'm gonna try again with a tune that I like more. I mean, this tune's great, but it's just like, I'm not very good at it. Alright, I'll play this one. And then I'll tell you what it is later. Yep, I need to practice this more. I hope you enjoyed. That's probably the end of the vlog for today. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, probably not. Maybe.
Walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in